Welcome again, dear friends, to the Excel learning tutorials. In this video tutorial, we will look at how can we freeze columns and rows for a tabular data. So here I have a data, and you can see here the data, that is the registration number, exam, as well as the exams from the exam number 1 to exam 12 and the registration numbers. So I want to keep this row constant. Like here you can see, scrolling down, the first row becomes hidden. So I want to see here to keep it constant while scrolling up and down. For this task I have to do here selecting the row and coming towards the view. Here in the view option you can see the freeze pans. So clicking the freeze pans, here are three options. The first one is freeze pans, and the other one is freeze top row, and the third one is freeze first column. So I want to keep the first row or the top row freeze. Now I frozen the row. Now you can see it's easy that I can easily scroll down all the tabular data, and I can easily manage the marks as well as I can see their exams. For example, exam number 8. In exam 8, I can easily identify the students as well as their marks. On the other hand, if I will remove the pen, like here I want to unfreeze, so now I'm unable to see which one is this. For example, for the registration number 432, I want to look this column, so I'm unable which exam is this. So for this particular task I will go to the top and will click here. So now you can see that it was exam 6. Again, I don't know what exam it would be, like 30 marks. So going again to the top, now it shows the exam 10. So it's difficult for every time to go up and down. To remove this, so we need to keep here to keep the freeze top row. Now it's easy, and you can see that all the marks, all the numbers can be shown easily with every exam. Again, I want to do unfreeze it, so clicking unfreeze. Now the option is removed. Now I want to keep the column freeze. So what should I do? In the same manner which I have done for the row, coming towards the freeze pans and clicking here freeze first column. Now you can see that the column is freezed. All the values of exams are hiding, but only the registration number is constant. Again, clicking unfreeze pans. So now you can see that all the exam as well as all the columns can be scroll up and down and can be moved to right and left. Now you can see that here from row number 1 to row number 9, the data is freezed. Again, I want to remove, unfreeze it, so you can see everything is in normal position. Hope you got this video tutorial. We'll see you in next tutorial. Thank you.